My name is Habila Solomon Kohon. I'm a pastor with Kohon Church. I want to thank God for the privilege I have to attend Acts book writing workshop last year and the second phase this year. It has had a tremendous impact in my life. I gained a lot. I discovered that I need to write. Even the Bible talks about people that have written so many things, and God wants me to write as well. The impact that this workshop, two of them, has made on me, I will just summarize it, that it has motivated me to swing into action just to write, start writing. I can write about my village, I can write about my work, I can write about any theological issues, I can write about any matter of interest to me. And Acts is willing to give support, so I have no excuse than to write. My word for Acts is, Acts should expand the scope of this workshop by making it like maybe something that is compulsory for seminary lecturers, and then they should look for a way to subsidize it more, because I know some people are thinking of the cost. That's why they don't want to attend. But some of us that we like the academic line, we are willing to sacrifice what we have to gain the skill that will help in the future of writing. So that's what I have for us. Thank you very much, and God bless.